So let me explain the sum. This is the lighthouse. The point I have given A, and this OB is the seashore line. At the point B, there is a shop, and a man is working in this lighthouse. Sometimes this man required to go to the shop to bring his food or something else. Now, how can this person go to that shop so that it will take least time? Now, the man can go in this way by rowing from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, he can walk or run. Or again, he can do in this way, from A to this point he is going by rowing, and from this point he is walking up to this. Or direct, the man can walk, row from A to B by his boat. And here everything is given, that the speed of walking and speed of rowing, everything here it is given. Now see how I have done. Let t be the total time and t1 be the time taken to cover distance of this kilometer. Why this kilometer? Actually, I consider that let the man go from here to here by boat and here to here by uh, walking. And this distance I consider x kilometer. So this x, if it is 0, then the man direct going from here to here. And if x equal to you get 4, then directly the man will go from here to here by boat. That is why I can take this distance a. Now see, by Pythagoras theorem, since this is 2 kilometer given, so we can write this distance equal to root over of 2 square plus x square. So this is the distance, root over of 2 square plus x square. Now see, this distance is 2 kilometer. And this one I consider x kilometer. The total distance is 4. So this portion will be 4 minus x kilometer. Now see, total time I consider t1 plus t2. That is t. So t1 means, let's say the man is going this distance. So time equal to distance by speed. So distance is this one. I calculate, I told you by Pythagoras theorem. So this is distance by speed is 4. 4 kilometer, that is the speed of the boat. And this distance x 4 minus x, and the time I told t2. This is t1 time, this is t2 time. T2 time, that is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 4 minus x and walking speed is 6. In the book it is given. Now see, this is the total time. So we have got one function of time where the variable is only right side, the variable is only x. And we have to find this time least. Now, we have to find the value of t least, we have to differentiate 2 times this t. That is why with respect to x, it is differentiated first with x, again with x. So this is the first differentiation and this is the second differentiation. Now see, for extreme value or to get minimum value, we have to write first differentiation equal to 0. And this dt dx value we have got here, so put this one equal to 0, and from there you are getting the value of x. Now the testing part, you have to put in the double differentiation, put the value here, the value of x, and see it is coming this one. By your calculator you put and see this is greater than 0. And greater than 0 means what? Minimum value. And in the question it is